Hello, it's Recno64 here again, and this is the aftermath of the major snowstorm that hit us today. Today is Wednesday, January 18th, same day I'm recording this, and let's see just how much snow has accumulated. I have a yardstick here. It's icy now. See how much snow is accumulated. About 4 inches on the pavement. Well, the snow is kind of more icy now, and it's hard. It's kind of funny. Same story there. And in the grass, it's more like 5 inches in the grass, so it's more there, about exactly 5 inches in the grass. But it's fairly icy now. But this is kind of what it looks like here. And this is at night, too. And after a lot of this stuff, the snow's lit up a lot of this. And I bet our car is fairly icy. It is very icy. It's iced in. Wow. Anyway, let's move forth. Pretty cold out here, too. Rain's supposed to move into the city, bring this more icy snow into more like water, slush. But it was pretty big. It snowed quite a bit here. And it's a little wet out right now. But here's what it looks like. Pretty nasty. This is just a residential area. And see what else there is. Ice is just crunching. And apparently it's freezing rain right now. But the streets are just covered in snow. There's like no pavement area that doesn't have snow all over it. And it's actually getting a little slippery. Anyway, this is pretty much what it's like. We'll see if we can get a view of the city. If not, we'll view something else. But I'm actually not kidding, it is getting very slippery here. Some of the pavement's been washed off. But it's more like ice than snow now. It was mostly snow in the morning. And now that's changing over to freezing rain, even though it's practically the same temperature. And the high today was only 32 degrees. And it's more like 29 now. It is very slippery. More slippery than I thought it would be. But it doesn't look like we'll get a good view of downtown, so we'll see what else we can do. But exactly this is what it's like. This is the dead of winter when it hit us. And it's probably going to have been pretty harsh on the cars here, because if they're all icy, and we might just have some iced-in cars all over the place here. Streets are very slick now. You can see if any of the ice there. You'd think in 29 degrees it'd still snow, but it's more like freezing rain now. You can clearly see that on the cars. But I'm going to stop it at the viewpoint up ahead here, so it's a little windy here too, making a wind chill. I should be here up ahead. See what we got here. Otherwise, you should probably be able to find more videos in the snow. But there's kind of an outlook over Boeing Field. Out there's kind of the city somewhat. Boeing Field mostly. Just mostly covered in freezing rain. But this is what it's like. This is kind of the scenery, iced up cars. It's probably going to be a trouble tomorrow morning. So, for anybody who lives in Seattle, I kind of would use caution tomorrow morning. But a lot of you probably won't see this video until after that, so. But anyway, this is exactly what it's like here in Seattle. Those of you who are out in Florida are probably lucky enough not to get this, but I'd say it's still pretty cool. We'll see you guys later. Later, folks.